So, in this video, I'll show you how to add the TikTok logo at the end of your video easily. If your TikTok ending logo was missing, then this quick tutorial will help you fix it step by step. Now, open TikTok and go to your profile section. After that, select the video where you want the TikTok logo outro to appear. Next, tap on the three dot option on the side of the video. Then scroll through the menu and tap on Download Video. Once the video finishes downloading, open your photos or gallery and locate the saved video. Now play the video and check the ending part carefully. You'll see the TikTok logo automatically added at the end of the clip. So basically, if your TikTok app is updated and you download the video directly from TikTok, the TikTok ending watermark or logo will be added automatically. And yeah, that's how to add the TikTok logo at the end of your videos easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.